your boy J Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat, and if you can't tell by my surroundings where I'm at right now, I am in Newark, New Jersey on the East Coast. We got a very, very big surprise for y'all. We came out here, we're very, very blessed by my family to get a new toy for the house, and now I got my wife, side chick number 1, and now we got a side chick number 2. The question gonna be, who's gonna cover more money? The wife, the side chick 1, or the side chick 2? We'll let you know at the end of this year if we do it, man. But we are here today doing our thing. I'm very blessed to be out here today in New Jersey, man. We got the Jeep that we built out of, y'all seen the videos on. She had to get a battery swap. I came all the way down here to just change out that battery. No, we didn't. We came to do the battery for it, but to pick up a new toy. Stay tuned so you can meet a new toy called Novacaine. Should be having a lot of fun with her, man. But stay tuned, I'll give you guys more info. So we are finished up here in New Jersey, man. We're gonna be picking up a beautiful, beautiful toy, man. But all I can tell you that we've been blessed. We made a trip out here for New Year's. It's great to be with the family for New Year's. But we're gonna be heading to go pick up a toy today, a 2-part toy. I'm blessed and honored to be able to get this, man. Let me show y'all something that they do here in the body shop here real quick. Well, look in here, what year is this car, Bobby? 66 Chevrolet Camaro. Cause this car had damage here, Wano? It had damage here? Everything. Did you see they're taking this car and they're doing basically a frame-up restoration? That's a 69. 69. Wow. Look at this. They're doing a frame-up conversion of this whole vehicle here, y'all. Completely taking it apart to build the car. Yeah, it is a 69. To do the build-up on this bad boy. This is a Pontiac. Firebird. It is a Firebird. I can tell by that hood. But man, que lindo está. This car, y'all restoring this whole thing from head to toe. Watch this, y'all. But this car was, look, taken apart. They're doing all the upper control arm, Brembo brakes, frame restoration. Y'all did everything to this car. Look at this. Everything in this car is being painted and restored, y'all. Completely from head to toe. Then you wonder what's the difference between a guy who did in the streets and this, man. This is what you do, a fool. They took the whole car, gutted out everything in this car, y'all. To get this car to come back together again. Like it's Humpty Dumpty, no rust. They fixed everything in the car. Look at this, new top, new heads, and they get it back together. Kind of what happens when you have a great body shop. That's the difference between a regular body shop and a great body shop. They're here in Newark, New Jersey, man. They're called One Stop. It's actually my brother-in-law's shop. If you need anything, man, I definitely tell you to hit them up, man. They, it's nothing to talk about. I've been around them for a while, and the quality is dramatic, man. If I was closer, we'd definitely be doing a lot more things together, but in reality, they do A1. So check them out, man. A1 body shop here in Newark, New Jersey. Sorry, real quick, man, so you come with the other toys they got at the shop. It's really a beautiful thing. Y'all see my Tahoe? Hold on. Y'all see my Tahoe right there? She drove all the way here from Texas, y'all. She's been loyal and great car to me, but I'm gonna show y'all some toys. Look at this, guys. 1987 Buick Grand National. Buick 3.8 sequential fuel injection, turbocharged, original, y'all. Then we got this. It's a numbers car. This is a SRT 2008 or 9, I forgot it is. This is Juanito's drag car. Got a Fox body, clean, original. Have a GTR, clean and original. That's an old school Audi. Look, actually another vehicle over there in the back side. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'll try to get close for y'all. But it's a beautiful, another Grand National. So let me get in here for y'all. You don't see these cars too much, man. These are classics that are really worth some money. And look, another Buick Grand National with the sunroof. Guys, this is an original, beautiful car. Y'all see this? Original floor shifter, Grand National. I would love to own this car. Like on one of my bucket lists of my life to own, man, it could be a Grand National. I love the National. I love the 67 Malibu, the 69 Corvette Stingray 427. I love the 70 series Nova. I love a lot of cars, man, but you know, it's a blessing to be able to have a family in the same game, man, because this is One Stop. Look what they do. In fact, I'm gonna show you everything here, look. One Stop, hit them up, y'all. True, so I got down to another family member's house, and you wanna talk about being speed freaks, look, Evo. How much horses this thing pulls all the way up?
We're looking at 521 horsepower.
And if you tune it up, you said it goes up to 8?
You could bring it up to 8.
No, that's a lot of power. This is all-wheel drive. But this car doesn't peel it. This car just literally goes. It goes. Let me go to the other side. The carbon fiber, real carbon fiber, y'all. This is beautiful. This is your toy.
Yes, sir.
They have a couple toys, y'all. They have an RX-7. They have a Prelude that's going with a bigger turbo now. So this is something that the family really does here, man. Look at this here, y'all.
Yeah, it's my
So you bought it like this already?
Yeah, I bought it just like this. Yep.
Look at this, y'all. boosted, everything ready to go. A real Evo all-wheel drive with money in it. Angela, you happy as hell, ain't you?
Oh, 100%.
You love this
Look at
thing.
his face. Look at his face.
Look at this, y'all. I wish it was daytime so I could show y'all this better, man. But this is a bullet.
I wish it wasn't raining so we could have taken it.
Oh man, guys, I think I'm about to stay longer, man, to come and see these babies move, because this is really impressive, man. Look at that turbo. This is impressive. You can handle this?
Of course.
What I'm talking about, man. They don't fall far from the tree,
They
man.
don't. Look,
I'm gonna tell you right now,
blood.
the family is really a speed family, and we love what we do. Like, we're the same thing in Texas. We love speed. We love all that stuff, and you can see that it just follows through the generations and generations. How old are you now?
I'm 22.
22 years old with a fast ass, very fast ass
Yeah, very
Wait
fast.
till
Evo.
It's fucking.
I'm gonna tell you something right now. Isaac could be like, let's race, but he'll bust Isaac off the light, no problem. Without a problem, y'all. They even look, this is the mom's car. She got a Civic, but look at this, y'all. Hey, the light up here? This is a Type R. The mom owns a Type R. That's all I gotta tell you. So this is what's going on, man. We got to New Jersey for the operation of the project of Novacaine. We are right now with my brother-in-law, Hector, and you're gonna see him with us in the shop very soon, man. Tell everybody who you are and what's your Instagram.
Yo, it's AC Legend over here. I'm with my boy over here, AUDIOZONE. About to get some serious.
So I'm gonna tell you right now, we're on our way to pick up phase 1 of phase 2 of the build. We're gonna go pick up the trailer right now. So we're out to a place I've never been to, New Jersey. I don't think they've been in New Jersey. They've been there their whole life, but it's pretty far away to pick up the trailer. We're gonna use the transporter, and we'll give you an update in a few as we get there.
A few moments later.
All right, my crew, so we just finished picking up the trailer. I'm actually gonna pull over and show you guys, and we're in the middle of a very, very high, GPS as y'all see here, man, but we're very, very high elevation. I'm trying to get out to safety to show you guys. We're kind of in a rough location, a rough place here, and you gotta be safe, man. So when I pull over here up front, I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like. But man, I can say that God is blessing us in dramatic ways, man. It's a great thing, and we're staying positive, focused, and God is doing what he needs to do, so stay focused, y'all. So at this point in time, we've actually just got done picking up the trailer, man. I'm gonna show you guys, because this is what gonna be handling and pulling around the Nova. I'm just gonna give y'all a quick vlog so y'all can see exactly what's going on with her. But we got it all situated, man. Coming all the way from New Jersey, we got the ramps. I got another set of ramps in the Tahoe, and I got a bunch of other things, man. But look, this is what God has blessed us. We got a trailer with the battery on it. Definitely we're gonna go through this whole build and get everything situated. But this is what's gonna be holding us, and we got the ramps that come from the back. It's actually a low profile, which is great, which means that we're not gonna be hitting our cars. But we're gonna get this definitely situated. As y'all can see here, this is the trailer that we have, and we'll be taking back to Texas as we begin to drive back to Texas and get this this whole build, man. So it's been a blessing, but the real prize is gonna be the next one y'all gonna see when we go pick up Novacaine. So Novacaine is the name I gave the car. You guys to get to understand it. It's got a whole one kind of a build. We're gonna take it another way and just build it. We're very grateful for the blessing that God has given us. We came all the way from Texas to New Jersey to be able to accomplish it, but you guys never know where your blessing is gonna come from or what you're gonna be able to do if you stay focused, man. I believe that if you believe in something and you fight for it enough, you'll be able to get to those dreams. So stay tuned so y'all can see Novacaine. We are up right now to go pick up Novacaine. Yesterday I picked up the trailer. I'm on my way to go pick up Novacaine right now. I'm very excited. I'm a little tired, got home late, but I have to do what I have to do, y'all. So right now I'm out here, and they gotta have some breakfast in the hotel room. I'm about to check them out and see what they got here. What I understand is a full custom built omelet or whatever you want to get. So I'm here right now in the hotel, as y'all can see, but I'll be back with you in a second.
One eternity later.
The line is way too long, man, to be waiting for the breakfast here. It's a great breakfast. It's full custom made. This is the embassy suite, so they pretty much tailor whatever you want. You can ask them for an omelet or whatever you want, and they'll make it for you right there live. My son hasn't slept all night, but you already know he's doing what he's doing here, hanging out with his cousins. I'm heading out to pick up Novacaine right now, so I'll be on my way there to get this done. I'll be back with you in a minute. GPS talking there, but I just want to take a moment, man, to tell you guys something, man. I've been feeling this for a few days now, man, and in reality, I'm so privileged and blessed.
Use the left
I'm tired.
left onto Veterans Memorial Drive.
I'm privileged and blessed. We went to bed at 3 o'clock in the morning. It's now 7 o'clock in the morning over here, and I'm on the road, so y'all can see how much sleep I had. But I'm very privileged and blessed, man, because I always believe that when you bless people or you're good to people, you get that payback for it. I believe God blesses you for that, and some people call it karma. This thing that we just got, man, we got a 70 series Chevrolet Nova, fully done from the floor up. Y'all about to see her. She can be called Novacaine, and the trailer. And I can't even tell y'all how this all worked out. All I can tell you is that God has worked a great miracle It's a miracle and a half. My brother-in-law actually owns this car. He had this car built, pretty much just did everything to it, and she's painted a matte black from a Mercedes-Benz copied. The paint code for this car is copied the Mercedes 2020 Mercedes-Benz GT63 AMG. The gray black that on that car is the paint that's used on this vehicle, and it is immaculate inside, outside, and so on. He had it designed one way, so I'm definitely gonna change up some of it and make it my way, but it's a 70 series Nova, and she's very, very fast. We're gonna go ahead and call her Novacaine. She joined the cruise crew today, but I'm gonna tell you guys, man, I'm so blessed and so happy because it's not a blessing that I was even waiting for. This was just a blessing that ended up happening. It all worked out exactly perfect. And just to be honest with you guys, I'm still shocked and stoked, man, because I can't believe that today I'm taking possession of a 1970 series Chevrolet Nova. And she is perfect. Y'all gonna get to see her. She's definitely gonna be with me in a lot of racing events. Definitely gonna be with me at the tracks. It's a beautiful car, man, and we're gonna get to enjoy it as a family. But the most important thing, we'll be able to enjoy it safely. We're gonna get to have some great time. So I just, you know, I'm grateful beyond words. I can't wait for y'all to get to meet Novacaine. So stay tuned so y'all can meet this beautiful, beautiful car. Meet Novacaine. Y'all about to get to see. I'm gonna get out the trailer real quick. She painted a beautiful matte black from Mercedes-Benz. Brand new Hoosiers. In fact, I'm gonna show you in a minute. Let me get the car out the trailer here. You guys to meet Novacaine. This is her right here. And I am very excited. You can tell she's beautiful, 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 beautiful car. I'm gonna bring y'all more to a vlog, but right now I'm busy getting her together and getting her situated. But she's got, I'll walk y'all through all the details, but this is my Novacaine right here, man. Coming to Texas now from the area of Newark, New Jersey. Let me get out the trailer and I'm gonna show y'all some more stuff. Yeah, Bobby, we're about to see the bad boy turn on, y'all. Let's see what happens when this baby turns on right now. I want y'all to hear the Novacaine. Boy, I'm excited. Novacaine. She hasn't been turned on in a few months, man. It's been a while being turned on, but I love the way it sounds already, y'all. She sounds badass. Y'all about to hear it, YouTube. Y'all about to hear it. Y'all about to hear it. Novacaine is on, y'all. Y'all can hear her back there rumbling. Look at that. That's all I gotta tell y'all, man. I'm excited, man. I'm gonna get her rolling. The Novacaine on the trailer, man. Truthfully, I don't know what y'all think, but she is an American beauty muscle car. It's got a flat black, but it's the Mercedes-Benz GT63. So it's got like a pearl in it, y'all. It is a beautiful car. So y'all gonna have to stay tuned, man, to watch everything we'll be dealing with this car, getting some track time, getting used to the car, very important, and walking y'all through the process of what we do to this car to get it to where it is. I'm gonna go pick up the wifey, get her reaction. I'll be back in a minute. We are now leaving New Jersey. I got Mrs. AUDIOZONE in the building. We just finished up this whole transaction, what we need to do. Babe, what you gonna say?
Oh my God. He's gonna have to choose now, because he ain't having two side chicks. He's gonna have to choose whether he's gonna stop putting money on
AUDIOZONE?
the AUDIOZONE and then put the money on this.
Okay,
I'm not giving him funds for two.
But this is what it comes to. If I could technically work a way of affording them all, shouldn't I be able to keep them all? You and both of them?
No.
We'll continue, y'all. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank y'all for the subscriptions. Y'all be good and God bless.